All right, what's up YouTube? My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. Today what I'm gonna talk about is, this is part 2 to how to customize your Galaxy Watch. So if you got the Galaxy Watch and you wanna swag it up, I'm gonna show you how to give it some swag. Now, I did a part 1 to this video where I showed you how to get a lot of nice, dope, cool watch faces. If you haven't seen that, whoa, after this video, you should go check it out. I'll be sure to leave a card that'll pop up, as well as, at the end, you're gonna watch this to the end, you'll see the video pop up, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, today, now what we're gonna do to further customize, I showed you how to do watch faces. This time I'm gonna show you bands. I got a handful of bands that have been sent out to me for me to show off to you, so that's what I'm gonna do. You know what, my glasses. Hold up, player. You gotta, yeah. So let's see. Ooh, golden. Here we have it, 46mm Galaxy Watch. Now, I got a handful right here, 2 different companies. Now, the company right here on this side is, yeah, that right there. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna try to enunciate that one. And then this is, I think this one's called Cargos. Oh, Cargos. Cargos on this side, that other one right here, bam. There's gonna be links to all of these bands down below. If cop 1, cop 2, cop them all. I don't care. I just want you to see them. Some of them are really, really dope. You know what I'm saying? Let's take off the Apple Watch. All right, so I'm gonna start with my least favorite first. One that I think is probably more intended for the rose gold version. Like so anybody who gets the 42mm rose gold, ladies, this is probably one for you. And I'm putting this one on for you. Something to note, you do have to remove links, possibly, depending on how big your wrist is. This side, all of these bands, they came with their own link remover. I really like this tool. The other ones, I'll show you what tool they came with, but this is the tool I like the best. I felt like the watchman out here taking off links and stuff. I used to get watches, they used to be too big, but I never got links removed. And I always just wondered how they did it. Now I know. And it's actually pretty easy. And they charge you for that. You know what I'm saying? So bam, this right here, as far as with the stainless steel, no, but I'm trying this on just to show you for the ladies out there that may have the rose gold one. I think this would be a good look for you. Even that right there looks rose goldish. Still got the plastic on there, cause bam. So bow. Now, this is plastic. It's really light though, that's the plus side to it. It's plastic, really light, and the pins are really easy to remove and replace. So I really enjoyed the link removal process with this one. These are my favorite style watch bands. The Milanese, the best. Man, you can adjust these to fit you any way you want. I really do love these, so let's go ahead and get this on here. Bam. Milanese joints, you know what I mean? Boom, I love them. You can adjust them to the exact fit you want. You can go from loose to super tight, all with just a pull and a snap. Like, it's so sweet. So I always love these. They breathe, they're really light. This one's very light. Actually, the lightness that this adds to the 46mm, I'm loving it. Actually, this might be the daily wear for the Galaxy Watch. So Milanese band, and what's dope about with the Cargos brand, these two come together. So you're getting a set. You get the Milanese with the black stainless steel. You can't lose with that combo right there. Great deal. Now, let's look at the black stainless steel right here. Bam, nice heavy weight to it. There we go, we in there, bam. Now, I like the look of a black stainless steel band on this Galaxy Watch. Really sweet, really sleek, bam. See that? Oh, I got it on backwards. We put that on backwards, but you know what I mean? I did that on purpose so you could see it, with a good view. Don't sleep. Boom, love that band, love that look. Next up, let's go to this side from this brand, yeah. Links in the description below. Now, I'm gonna start off with the leather band. The leather band actually looks pretty decent. Boom, bam. Actually looks really nice, really good. The swag is actually there. So let's get this on here, you know what I mean? Come on. Getting that second loop, you know what I'm saying? I don't have the biggest wrist, but I'm able to get it to my size, you know what I mean? Like bam, bam, bam. Look at that bad boy. Woohoo, with the white face right there jumping off. Hold on, let's turn that face all the way white. Bam, that right there. Look at that. So this actually does well with the silver and black. I thought it wasn't gonna be a match at all. Swag right there, I like this. So this is definitely gonna be one getting some wear and tear on it. 22 millimeter for the Galaxy watch, so. Slide that bad boy in. It's just me, silence, and the sound of the autofocus from this 18 to 35 Sigma lens. Real sweet. Dang, did I put it on backwards again? Man, I tell you, I'm having, oh no I didn't. I got it right this time. Bam, bam, bam. I mean, not much of a difference of a look, but I don't know, the price might be different. So that way, I just wanted you to have seen both. Bam. And then last but not least, what I think is, out of all of these bands, to be my favorite look. I'm definitely gonna edit out the time it takes for me to put these watch bands on. You know what I mean? Wow, look at that. It don't get more traditional than this look right here. This look is the look that I would highly recommend as far as these bands go, if you like it, if it's your swag. But I found this to be my most favorite look. Just stainless steel look was a look that I tried to shy away from a little bit, but now, you know what I mean? It's on point. So just showed you a bunch of great affordable bands. Links down in the description below. Go ahead, swag out your Galaxy watch. This is my favorite color look right there. Yeah, I definitely need to take another band out of that one. I gotta take out one more link, man. I thought I had it right, but I guess I didn't, you know what I'm saying? I'm new to this. Anyways, my name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. You just watch me swag out, customize the Galaxy watch. I'm out of here.